What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Master Splinter from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with a curve for the top of the muzzle. Starting over on the left, we're going to bend this up, round this out, and then come down towards the right. Now let's leave a gap in the center, go left side, bend the brow, coming up and in, go to the right side and do the same thing. Let's go back down to the bottom of the brow. I'm just going to curve this up and then out toward the left and the right. Now I want to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. On the left side, let's step in, curve this around, and just tuck that in behind the side of the muzzle. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, draw a small circle, tuck that up underneath the brow, and then we'll fill the center of each pupil. In the center, let's step down and add another fold, going up and then down. I'm going to come all the way down and draw a circle for the nose. Coming around and then back up. Let's fill the inside of the nose in black. From the bottom of the nose in the center, let's step down. I'm going to curve the mouth going down and up toward the left. Go all the way around and then bend that in. Let's go back to the center and do the same thing across the right side. Let's tuck the teeth along the bottom. Draw two straight lines coming down. Close off the bottom. Now we're going to go all the way up to the top of the head. We're going to start on the left side. Let's curve this up and in towards the middle. Now we're going to bend that up toward the tip of the fur, come down and back in. Let's add another point, going out and up, and then back down. Let's round out the side of the head, coming down towards the right. Now from here we draw the inside edge of the ears. Starting back on the left, go up and out, and we're going to bend that up toward the tip of the ear. Let's go back over towards the left side, curve the side of the ear, coming around and then in. Let's add a point, going out, come down and in towards the side of the head. Now in between these 2 points, we're going to add the fold, going out and then up. From the base of the ear, we're going to add a point of fur, coming down and out on both sides. And then pull that back in with a short line towards the side of the head. Now I want to round out the bottom of the jaw. Starting back on the left, come all the way around and then in. We're going to add another point of fur along the bottom. Pulling that up. Let's add another one. We're going to make our way down underneath the chin. And then add that point. Let's continue this curve coming in just underneath the mouth. Let's go back up to the side of the muzzle and add the whiskers, starting on the left, going up and then out. We're going to add one more. Stepping down, we're going to bend this down. Now from the side of the head, let's step down and draw the side of the body, bending this down towards the hips. Close off the hip with a curve. Now from the left side, we're going to step up and draw another curve for the top of the belt. Let's add a fold across the collar. Starting on the top right, underneath the head, we're going to bend this down and across towards the belt. Now over on the left side, go in behind towards the center. Let's add a trim along the outside, coming down, and then from the left. From the hips, we're going to draw two straight angle lines coming down and out. And I want to close off the bottom with a curve, but we're going to add these little notches along the way. Add one on the left and one on the right. Let's continue this fold underneath the belt, come straight down, step in, add the inside. Now I'm going to tuck the legs in underneath, leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out, and then down towards the heel, go to the right, and do the same thing. Let's round out the bottom of the feet with a curve coming down and up towards the first claw. Now let's draw the first claw. We're going to go up, bend that down towards the tip, bend this back up and in towards the bottom of the foot. Now you want to layer 2 more claws on the outside, starting from the top, going up and then down towards the tip, and tuck that back in, and we'll do that one more time. Let's go to the top of the last claw. We're going to curve the foot going up, and then we'll bend that down towards the heel on both sides. Now from the bottom corner, we're going to step in, bend the leg going out, and then down on top of the feet. Let's wrap those bandages across the leg. On the outside, we're going to step up, add a curve coming in, add another one along the top. Now one more, we're just going to go across and then bend that up. Do the same thing on the right. Start with 2 curves bending this down, and then the last one we'll bend this up. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start with the arm on the right. We want to start halfway down the side of the body, then the arm going out and down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, close out the end with a bracket. Let's tuck in 3 fingers, starting underneath the thumb, come down and up around that bracket. Step down, curve this out and up with the second finger. Third finger and go all the way around, blend into the arm going up underneath the head. Let's go back to the top of the thumb, add the sleeve, going out and up. Step up and draw that again for the trim. Now I want to draw the left arm holding the cane. So we're going to start by lining up the inside of the arm, then it's out and then down towards the wrist. Round out the thumb, coming down and then out. Let's curve the inside of the hand going up and then down toward the first claw, go out and back in. Let's layer 2 more fingers in behind, starting from the outside, going around and then in. Let's do that one more time, going all the way around. Just pull us in toward the top of the thumb. Now the cane's going to get tucked in underneath the hand, so from this point, just going to wobble this line, coming all the way down in behind the foot. Go to the inside of the thumb and draw that same line. Now going back to the top of the hand, we're going to curve the arm, going up and then in underneath the head. Let's add that same trim. And now we want to bring the tail coming down from the right side. Let's start from the hip, come down, and then bend that out. And we'll taper that back in towards the side. Now let's sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Master Splinter from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.